and stuff like that. But these are like little crispy tacos, so they're nothing special. They're just ground beef, like lightly fried with some cheese. And then I homemade this, it's like a jalapeno cilantro sauce. So let me see which one is
Can I correct you though?
What?
You said nothing special.
Yeah.
You made this.
Yeah.
These two do not go hand in hand.
Okay. Well, thank you. I'll just.
How's your throat?
I gotta give him.
Tech
like,
boy. I don't know why I
ones.
thought you said like. I don't know why I was reading throat goat into this.
We'll give him this one.
Good. My voice is still like 80%, but I made like a really nice platform for the kiddies. Dude, low-key, I really want to show it, but I mean, we don't have to show it right now. If I'm
You know what's crazy?
messing with your flow.
No, you're not messing with it. I'm honestly at the very end.
My back.
And it's about an hour until UFC, so.
Ooh. Wait, what time is it?
It's almost 6.
What
oh no, it's
the-
5:30. Oh my god, it's still so early.
Last time I looked at the clock, it was like 4 p.m.
All right, Arthur.
Ooh. Is it too hot?
No. They've been cooling for a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, Bon Appetit, and you can dip it if you want.
Hold on.
Here's a little tacos. They're a little crispy, crackly. Got beef and cheese.
Hold on. You know where to pay attention to. Look at this, chat. We have a taco. Shit. We have a taco.
See, it looks
Like no
burnt
other.
on the camera though, but it's
It isn't, I promise. It's still warm. Let's focus on the crunch.
Dip it in a little bit of the sauce. Should leak in a little bit. The sauce is a
Hold on.
jalapeno cilantro
Whoa.
lime.
Let me take it in.
Oh. I love the sauce.
You made these. You didn't put in the order. You made them. Show your hands. And I live with you. And you made these.
They're yummy, right?
I'm gonna be honest. I would have been so sad if I came from the outside, working in the rain, sweat and tears, almost dying with the cough. But this is really good.
Thank you. They're supposed to be simple. They're like, so these are supposed to be like watch party snacks that you like come by and you grab like a few. You can make a bunch of them. So they're not supposed to have like a bunch of toppings on them. It's like grab and go things. Like you're working, you eat one, and then you keep going. Meat and cheese.
Give me another one, please. Salat wäre super. Shut the fuck up. We don't need to eat salad every day. Sorry.
What? What did you say?
Was I too much?
Salad is where super is good. What? Super?
Yo.
She gave in for the tier 2 at 19 months.
You know what's crazy? I love the freedom that I'm experiencing right now. I feel like ever since you're like multi-streaming, I just experienced so much freedom from you. You're like so relaxed and so free.
I don't know what that means. I've been multi-streaming for a long time. Nobody wants a salad when watching sports and drinking beer.
Shut up, Skybase.
Do you feel like an eagle?
I do feel like a true American. But I was talking to my sister today. She was like, man, I went to a German wedding. And it was very northern, very cold. Barry finished one snack and the food was gone. I was like, damn. I'm so
In
glad
American,
to
it's all about
be
the
an
food.
American where I feel super free. I'm so excited for the fights.
Are you actually?
I am. But we have a little bit of a predicament.
Okay.
Because I messaged you about it. And I don't know what's the best way to like navigate it. Because I know that the UFC in the White House is like a first ever, right?
Yeah. I don't know how long the card's gonna last. It could be every single fight could go.
Oh, so it could finish faster.
But I don't know that.
Okay, because we do technically, potentially, we do have dinner plans with Emily and a few other people later.
Why did it have to be today?
Well, she's leaving.
She's leaving in 4 days.
Right.
3 days.
Right.
UFC ain't it anymore. Take it back.
Whoa.
Take it back. Well, this is the thing. There's 7 fights. Probably gonna take about 2 hours.
Is there like a way for us to like keep watch partying as I'm driving us to the dinner? And you're like, oh my God, sitting in the car. Is that a possibility? Or you think that's messy?
But like,
I know. It's
like,
iffy.
of all the days.
It is the Lord's Day.
One championship, like sometimes they do cards and it's like 8 a.m. here and I sleep through it. Julia acting like everyone watches UFC. I'm not acting like everybody watches UFC. I'm just like, you know.
Yeah.
Patience and Psyche, thank you so much for the 10 gifted.
Yo.
I don't have to be at the dinner. Like, you can go without me and meet up with all of our friends.
And you're gonna have a party without me.
I mean, if that's how it is. I mean, I can go to dinner any day of the week.
Yeah.
Maybe not with like our group of friends, but I'm sure I could go with them again. Will I ever see UFC 250 again on the White House, in the White House lawn? No. Probably never again.
Yeah.
I want to watch this damn fight, yeah.
How you skip World Cup soccer matches there? We don't skip. Listen, today what Germany did to their opponent, not to name them, it was a trauma. But hey, they're sending a message. 2014, you know, Germany against Argentina, 1-0 in overtime. I don't know how to tell you this. They're going to win again.
What? Okay, this is dessert.
Cristiano Ronaldo, you're amazing. But hey,
What team does he play for?
an amazing team will always outperform.